A ridging high pushes in a band of fog along the eastern escarpment from Limpopo through to the interior part of the Eastern Cape on Wednesday morning. We're also expecting a mostly cloudy day along the Eastern Cape coast, with quite a bit of cloud and even some rainfall still forecast over the eastern part of the country. It'll be a mild Wednesday over the northeastern part of South Africa, with warmer weather expected in the west. On our rainfall probability map, you'll see a 20% chance of rain for KwaZulu-Natal, Mpumalanga and Limpopo, with a slight chance of thundershowers still for Gauteng, as well as parts of the Free State, Northwest and Western Limpopo, with a dry forecast for the rest of the country. On our maximum temperature map, you'll see that warmer weather in the west with a high of around 30 degrees for Vredendal and Uppington, 24 for Cape Town, and we keep in the mid-20s over the central interior with a high of 22 for Bishu and East London, as well as Johannesburg, Bethlehem and Polokwane. Still quite cool for Bombela at 19 degrees, 24 along the KZN coast. Now, as we head out to the west coast, you'll see fresh winds and moderate beach conditions for Alexander Bay and Langebaan, with more of a light to moderate southerly wind for Namaqualand and Lambert's Bay, with a 2.5 meter southwesterly open ocean swell and wave heights between 3 and 4 feet. We're expecting a 35 km/h southeasterly wind for False Bay, with strong winds in the forecast for Cape Agulhas and therefore poor beach conditions, with lighter winds for Hermanus and a 3 meter open ocean swell with wave heights between 4 and 5 feet. Light westerly winds start of the day along the south coast, but we're expecting a moderate southeaster later on in the day. We're expecting good beach conditions over this part of South Africa, with a 2 meter swell and wave heights between 2 and 4 feet. As we head along the east coast, we increase that chance of rainfall, with the highest chance of rainfall for Richards Bay, with poor beach conditions in the forecast, with a light to moderate southwesterly wind, good beach conditions for East London, and we're expecting quite a small swell here of only 1.5 meters with wave heights between 2 and 3 feet, with high tide expected at 5:45 in the evening for Durban. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Enjoy the rest of your day.
News that moves. eNCA.com.